So electrons are the smallest of the three subatomic particles found in the atom. The electrons are on the outside of the nucleus. They are found in the electron cloud. They are negatively charged particles. They are extremely, extremely small. So they are matter. So they do technically have a mass, but that mass is just so, so small that it is not significant when we're looking at the mass of an atom. So we essentially say that it has zero mass, but we know because it is matter that it does have a mass. It's just extremely small. If you're comparing it to the size of a proton and a neutron, the fraction is 1 over 2,000. So you can do that math and get the decimal form from there. It's extremely small. So because it's so small, it doesn't really affect the mass of the overall atom. So we do say essentially we look at it as zero. It has a charge of -1, so it has a -1 charge, and the electron cloud actually occupies the majority of the space in an atom, but it's going to contribute almost nothing to the mass of the atom. So its charge is what is most important when we're discussing an electron. The electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson and R.A. Milken in the Milken drop. J.J. Thomson discovered the charge of an electron through one of his experiments called the cathode ray experiments. So here the electrons were emitting through a ray called a cathode ray, which is thought to be negatively charged because when magnets were put around the ray of light would bend towards the positive magnet. And because we know opposite charges attract, if the magnet was known to have a positive charge, then the ray must have a negative charge because the electrons repelled from the negative end of the magnet. And we know like charges repel each other.